Hey there, and welcome to this tutorial video for Dance Monkey by Tones and I. So this has been a viral song, and it kind of has a cool backstory. I had to actually go and watch some things on it, and Tones and I used to be a busker. And this song was written about the things that people were calling out to her as she played her music, which is kind of fun. So in this video, we're going to do three things. First of all, we're going to look at the chords that you need for GCEA ukulele, then the chords you need for DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. And actually, I do have some good ideas for strumming for this song. Also, I want to remind you that if you want the chord chart for this song, you can go to ukestuff.com or click the link in the description below. So let's take a look at the chords that you need on GCEA ukulele. And I'll be using this Van Gogh UK23 concert ukulele that was sent to me to review by dealspeedup.com. So the first chord that you'll need is the A minor chord, then the F chord, then the G chord, and then the E minor chord. Now, a little secret: if you're on the G chord and you want to make it the E minor chord, just add your pinky on the third string, 4th fret. You can do that too throughout the song if you want to. And those are the only chords that you need for Dance Monkey. Let's take a look at the chords that you need on DGBE ukulele. I'll be using my mainland baritone. It has a cedar top and rosewood back and sides. The first chord is the A minor chord. The next chord is the F chord. Don't be afraid of it. What you're going to do is take your first finger and put it on the first and second strings really close to the first fret, and then pull against the fretboard. If you're holding your ukulele right, it's almost like you're using leverage, and that's what you actually are. You're pulling against the ukulele, letting force do the work for you to make those two end strings ring, and then put on the other two fingers. If you're pulling against the headstock, you shouldn't have to use much thumb power at all to get a nice F chord. Then you get the G chord, and then the E minor chord. And those are the only four chords that you need on DGBE baritone ukulele. Now let's take a look at the strumming that you might want to use in this song. Here are a couple ideas. First of all, she uses a lot of keyboard. So the first part of the song, not the chorus, you're going to be playing downstrokes mainly. But on the last one, do a down up. And then switch. And that last time I moved to play the E minor chord. What happens if I leave my G chord and add the pinky? Whichever one works best for you. So that's my idea for the first strumming pattern of really the verses. Down, 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 up. That would be it. So when you get to the dance for me part, there's a bunch of things you can do. I find myself hitting strongly on beats 2 and 4. So it's kind of going like this. So another thing that I kind of do sometimes when I'm just playing around is I lift my left hand completely after playing some of the chords. So it kind of sounds like this. And it doesn't work perfectly for all the chords because the A minor kind of still rings out. Then the G gets more muted as I kind of leave my fingers on the string. And then you can also just go back to just playing single chords if you want. Or you can play 4 strums on each chord. Ultimately, it doesn't matter because there was no ukulele really used in the original version of the song. So whatever you do, as long as it's with the tempo, it's right. So that's all you need to do to play Dance Monkey. I hope you enjoyed. It is transposed up a little bit so it fits well with ukulele, but those 4 chords, especially with GCEA ukulele, work pretty well, and they're pretty generally easy and accessible for all. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back with more content for you soon.